Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back. Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a pumpkin, Halloween pumpkin with a top hat, okay? It's going to be very simple, very easy, and completely for beginners, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to grab a different marker, actually. I think this marker, yeah, this one's sharper. Alright. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to start with a curve over here on the left, okay? Curve over here on this side. Over here on this side over here. Curve over here, curve over here, curve over here for kind of the rivets in the actual pumpkin. Line over here, line over here, line over here. Line across. Line up, line up. Flat line across here for the top hat. Line up over here. Line up over here. Line across right there. It's basically like two boxes on top of each other, right? The thing you want to do with a lot of these drawings is you want to think generally in simple shapes. So when you do that, you're pretty safe, right? Circles, squares, stuff like that, cones. When you think in that way, that stuff's going on in your mind, it tends to make things a lot more manageable and simple to kind of figure out. Line across over there for the top hat. Line down, line down. Curve line down here, in. Curve line down here, in. Got the eyes right there, and now we're gonna fill them in, except for like a side over here. See over here. Line over here. Curve line in here for that smile, and I'm gonna put some teeth on the top. Right there you go. Then I'm gonna draw a curve line over here on this side. And I'm gonna fill that in. But remember, there's gonna be, you're gonna see some of the edges of the pumpkin over here as well. Right there, see? Some of the edges of the pumpkin you'll see. Right on. Let's fill in the top hat part. So over here, we're going to just fill this in. Don't forget, pick up a sticker. I think I mentioned in the beginning, right? The announcement. Those things are only going to be around for this month, and that is it, literally. I'm going to get rid of them forever. But it's just something cool to have, you know, for folders and stuff like that. I am... Also, there's a lot of, what was I going to say? I gotta figure out what I'm going to dress like for Halloween. I think I'm going to dress like a vampire, so I don't know yet. I gotta sort through that stuff. Hopefully I can sort through it soon, because, you know, Halloween's coming up right in a while. Oh, man, this one's going to be hard to fill in, this top. Oh, man, alright, I'm going to fill it in. And, kind of put myself into a corner here where I have to fill in this part of the top hat. There, I guess it wasn't, and you know, it didn't take that long to fill in. Okay, so let's draw the lines on the actual pumpkin here. So it's going to be thin, and they're going to be pieced up, right? They're not going to be all together in one. Line over here. Line over here. Whew, right on. And then I'm going to throw a little bit of a thicker line, just kind of around the edge of the pumpkin here, just to kind of give it a little bit more of a sticker look. There you go. All right. I hope you enjoyed that. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We're the largest group of Halloween drawing tutorials on YouTube, the largest source for that. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. All right. See you later, and I need you to stay spooky.